Hello everyone, this is NYPM Stu, and currently I'll be teaching you geometry for this video. The topic is, can a line be ever drawn? Before answering this question, let us learn what is line. Okay, so we call this a line. But what do we mean by a line? We may define it as it is straight, it doesn't have an end point and a start point, but mathematically line has no definition. Why? If you say this, can you define me what is straight in mathematics, or can you define me what is a point in mathematics? Okay, straight can be defined, but let us see how can we define a point? Can you define a point again? This question. No, you can't. You can't say that it is just a dot. It is more than a dot. It is more powerful than just a dot. So, even point is not undefined. So, some of the terms in mathematics are undefined, and even line is undefined. So, now as a line and a point is undefined, can we determine how can we get a point? We can. Let us take 2 points. There is a difference between determination and definition. Determination means how we can obtain it, and definition means the meaning of it. So, determination of line. Now, take any 2 points in space. Space means everything you can see, 3D. Take 2 points in space. There exists one unique line between them. Now, you will be thinking that, okay, so Nayan, you said that there exists only one, so I'll do it like this. But I said it is unique. So, if you can use curved lines, there may be existing one more line like this, which is opposite to that. So I said it is unique, and there exists only one. So there may exist a line like this itself between any 2 points. Okay, I hope you are clear with what is actually a line, what you are thinking of it, and what actually it is. So let us go ahead. Line is a one-dimensional object. What do we mean by that? Some of you may be knowing this, but one-dimensional object means that it may have length or it may have breadth. So, line may have length or line may have breadth because it is a one-dimensional object. Let us consider that line only has length. And why are we considering line as one-dimensional object? Because when you are making a two-dimensional object, which means that length, which has length and breadth, you use a line. Suppose, let's say I am making a square. We use line and we consider line that they are negligible. And we only consider this height. So, line is also always considered as a one-dimensional object. Moving further, if this is a one-dimensional object, we draw a line. Let's say this is a line. Let us assume that this is a line. Now, if you can see, there's some breadth which always follows with its length. So now, even if it is negligible, the breadth is negligible, still it has some breadth. So it doesn't follow that it is a one-dimensional object. So draw any figure, even if your pen's nib is this much small, still you will get a two-dimensional object. So line can never be drawn. Now, if line can never be drawn, how can a point be drawn? So if line can never be drawn, how can a point be drawn? Suppose this is a point. Point is also known as a zero-dimensional object. So, intersection of two lines, there will be one point common. So now, even we do not consider this. We just consider it as something over here which is a boundary. So we have not considered its length, we have not considered its breadth. Sorry. We have not considered its length and its breadth. But if you enlarge in this, or if you see with something like this, if you enlarge in it, you will find something like this, which will have length and which will have breadth, same as line. So a line and a point can be never drawn. This is it for today's video. Keep watching other videos because they are pretty interesting. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.